Yo, 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 what the deal? It's your boy X.E.L. Welcome back to the channel, man. Thank you. Yes, you. Thank you for coming back. But if you are new here, please do me a favor and like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. That'll let you know when I drop another video. And today we're going to be actually discussing AI. It's here, man. And it's pretty much here to stay. So let's go over it and see what we can find out. This video is sponsored by DistroKid. DistroKid, we already know, is the best way to get your music on all these streaming platforms, whether that's Apple, Tidal, Amazon, Spotify, IG, and even TikTok. So definitely, you should get yourself a DistroKid account. You have one payment for the whole year, and you can upload unlimited tracks to DistroKid as well. And they also have their own bit of AI. Let me show you. It's called Dave. All right, so here we are in my DistroKid account. What you want to do is go to where this little box is. Hit this drop down arrow, and they have products and they have goodies, and right down here on the goodies where it says enhance your music, click on that and you have this thing called Dave. Our music analyst AI bot tells you about your tracks. So you click on Dave, and this is what Dave looks like. Meet Dave. He's a little brain. So basically what this will do is break down and analyze your tracks, and it'll basically tell you couple of things about the track that you have. So let's hit next. All right, so you can actually share this page with people, so you can copy the page and share it. If you want to have like a little write-up about your track on like a website or something, this is pretty cool to actually get that info set up for you. So it says, hi, I'm Dave, DistroKid AI bot. Just talk about it. And it tells you the name and who's it by, it tells you the length, it tells you what key it's in. And it even tells you like the beat measures. It has my loudness here, and it has the tempo that what you think. I think it's 140 on the dot. Yeah. So it tells you that there's like 5% acoustic. So it's not really an acoustic track. It's danceable. So high energy track, which is true because I tried to make it higher energy. Liveliness is 5%. It was recorded at the studio. Yes, it was recorded at the studio. It wasn't live. So yeah, this is one of the AI bots from DistroKid. And it also gives you an option to listen to it on Spotify. So this is a good way to do other things for your songs by creating these little things from Dave. And this is all from DistroKid. Like I said, this is just one yearly fee. You get all these perks from DistroKid. All right, so AI is here. It's not going anywhere, man. I see a lot of people using a whole bunch of different things. I did see an article just the other day, Universal Music Group, they want Spotify and the other streaming platforms to do something about the AI because they're just doing too much, man. I know there was one where they pulled down someone's video on YouTube because they were using like Eminem as a talking about cats or something. I never saw the video, but I have heard about it, and they did get a strike on their YouTube from it. And this is a person that has like millions of followers. It could happen to anybody right now, and AI just feels like it's getting a little bit out of control. People are just almost abusing it in a way. You know, I've seen people making songs with artificial voices of other artists. It's pretty cool, but you know, is there going to be any kind of legal ramification for that? We don't know yet. This is still new to everybody. I also seen someone make a whole like little movie using nothing but AI stuff. So they used GPT chat to actually write the script. So they just put in the information. GPT chat actually created the whole entire script for the mini video that they made. They used like Midjourney to do like backgrounds. From the stuff that they did, they used a green screen. They used Midjourney to actually do like the background and find backgrounds and create different backgrounds for them. They use this other thing called Runway to kind of do like some kind of special effects to the actual video. So it was like they took a picture and then they had like other effects around it. There's another thing out there that does that type of stuff as well. But I thought that was really, really interesting. So you can even make a whole movie with just using AI. AI is actually in there making movies now. We already know what they're doing to art, so you can actually manipulate art. You can say, you know, I want a dog dancing on the moon, and it'll pop out a picture of a dog dancing on the moon. I know there are a lot of legal things going on right now. A lot of artists are really or highly upset about the AI like taking their work and actually putting it together and making something kind of new out of it. People that are hip to the AI, they don't mind it because they can just kind of get something done real quick. They just say something and boom, it spits it out. And that's what, you know, we have right now, a microwave society, as I call it. We want it right away. You know, we want that one-day shipping. If we order it on Amazon, we want it tomorrow. You know, we don't necessarily want to go out to the store and get it, but you know, we'll wait that one day, and that's pretty much it. After that one day, it's like, it's taking too long. So yeah, we have this microwave society. We want everything right away, and AI is actually doing that for us in a lot of ways. AI is even breaking into music where you can tell it what kind of track you want, and it'll try to pump something out. It's not the greatest of quality, not yet, but it's definitely getting there. So we should definitely be aware that these are things that we're doing, you know, as producers, as artists, as you know, entrepreneurs. These are things that are happening in our industry, so we need to be aware of it as well. So that's why I'm trying to bring this up to the light. I also give a shout out to Sync My Music, Jesse over there. He is really pushing over there as well about this AI information, and I think it's very interesting. Will it replace us as musicians and stuff? You just never know. It just matters how good it actually is, how, you know, the quality of it. But right now, currently, as it stands, I would say no. So I'm not making this video to try to scare anybody or to, you know, throw you off course. I'm just making it just to let you know that and be aware these things are out there. AI is definitely here, and it's here to stay. So, you know, if people are not able to win these lawsuits that are pressed against the AI companies, then, you know, we may be in for some world of trouble, basically, as musicians and artists. So yeah, I hope you guys are actually keeping up with this stuff, and we all need to learn from this. You know, we can also use all these things to our advantage, actually make more things a lot faster with AI. So, I mean, there are advantages and disadvantages as a music producer or artist or a person that just does music in general. So yeah, so hopefully, you know, we can get all of these things sorted out. I know they're trying to stop some of the AI stuff, but like I said, it's here, and it's pretty much here to stay. So with that being said, that's pretty much the end of this video. Like I said, I just wanted to drop a couple of gems on you guys, let you know what's going on in the world, and I will see you on the next one. And once again, it's your boy, X.E.L. Till next time, people. Peace.